Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, it's still the weekend. We got another awesome watch face for you all to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And you know how the story goes. You know what you need to do. Now, the name of the watch face is called Gold Flame Luxury Stormer. It's a nice looking digital watch face, offers up tons of information at a glance. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice digital time so far as the AOD mode is concerned for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. But once the watch face is on, I really like the way it's themed out in the background. You're going to get all the information that you can need in the watch face. Up at the top, you'll get your heart rate information along with your steps in that box. Here, you got your battery info, you get your contacts. The days of the week are here too as well. And in this box, all by itself, you're going to get your month and your digital time, which looks super awesome. And your moon phase is going to be down at the bottom. I thought it was a nice look so far, the layout of all the information given. And the only inactiveness that you have with this watch face is to be able to go into your contacts. You can make a phone call from here, which is pretty cool. I got to remember that this watch face is free, right? So what do you think, people? I thought it was a good look. You're not going to be able to tie this into a lot of things, but listen, it's in your lineup. So when you need it, there it is. And remember, people, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.